Welcome to Bagging Squad headquarters, where only the sharpest minds work together to solve the toughest cases. You've heard of Random Forest, the ace detective who works with decision trees, but did you know Random Forest has cousins who are even more advanced? Meet the bagging family: pasting, bagging, random subspace, and random patches.
Well. Looks like I'm about to steal the show again. Everyone knows I'm the most popular detective around.
Let's not forget who started it all. I'm the original bagging technique. Without me, Random Forest wouldn't even exist.
Yeah. But I don't need no fancy resampling. I work with raw data. Keep it simple. Keep it effective.
Excuse me, gentlemen, while you're busy bickering, I'm perfecting feature selection. I focus on subsets of features to bring out the best in any case.
Why limit yourself? I work with random subsets of rows and features. The more chaotic, the better.
Detectives, we've got a tough one. The goal is to predict the target variable for unseen data. It's a multi-dimensional mystery. Which one of you can crack it?
This is my jam. By averaging predictions from multiple base estimators, I'll stabilize the results. Variance? Not today.
Bagging selects data points with replacement, meaning the same data point can appear multiple times in a sampled dataset. In simpler words, data is sampled with replacement. Every model in the ensemble sees a slightly different variation of the original dataset.
I'll take care of this. By sampling without replacement, I'll ensure diversity among my estimators. No redundancy, no problem.
Pasting selects data points without replacement, meaning rows are sampled randomly but cannot appear more than once in the sampled dataset. Pasting keeps the samples unique within a dataset. This introduces diversity without overlap, unlike bagging.
Let me handle this. By training on random subsets of features, I'll reduce the noise and highlight the most important clues.
Random subspaces sample features columns instead of rows. All rows are used, but only a random subset of features is selected for each model. Random subspaces focus on feature diversity rather than row diversity. This can be useful when dealing with high-dimensional data.
This is my territory. Combining subsets of rows and features is perfect for this chaotic dataset. Let's dive in.
Random patches combine both row sampling like bagging or pasting and feature sampling like random subspaces. This means each model sees only a random subset of rows and features. This technique introduces maximum diversity by randomly selecting both rows and features.
Fine. You've proven your worth. But remember, I'm still the crowd favorite.
Only because people don't know us yet. Give it time, cousin.
Yay. But I work just like you, random patches, don't I?
You work too much. You select features at each split, prone to overfitting, whereas each of my estimator works with fixed set of features. You get it now?
Yeah, and in doing so, I provide predictions with highest accuracy. You guys don't want to work for it.
Enough of the arguments. Remember, solving any dataset mystery isn't about the flashiest algorithm, but about choosing the right detective for the job. Bagging creates bootstrap samples from a dataset with rows by sampling with replacement. For each sample, a base estimator is trained. Pasting takes random subsets without replacement, avoiding redundancy in the training data. Perfect when duplication is a problem. For a dataset with features, random subspace selects features randomly for each base estimator. This approach ensures diversity and prevents overfitting. Random patches combine subsets of rows and features, making it robust for unstructured or complex data. And let's not forget Random Forest's ensemble of decision trees, averaging predictions for regression or taking a majority vote for classification. It's simple yet effective. The bagging family isn't just about Random Forest. Each detective has a unique role, solving cases no one else can. Next time you face a dataset mystery, remember, there's a detective for every challenge.